What's up, people? It's been a while. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going pro. Okay, not pro though. Lot of things to tell you guys. First of all, I didn't travel since the past 3 or 4 months. My last trip was for Udupi, and I think Vinayak clearly is the bad luck here. But yeah, we got hit with the second phase again, and I had my college summit exams, but they got postponed. Same old, same old. Like, I think it's basically everybody is going through. But yeah, this video is gonna be about the camera that I bought. Yes, I'm going pro. I bought the Sony A6400M. I bought this for vlogging as well as cinematography. I don't know how to use this properly, take its full potential and also, but I'm trying to figure it out. I don't think I'll be telling more about this camera because it's kind of more technical, and if you want a technical review on this camera and why I bought it and the exact features of why I bought it, just comment down below and I'll make another video out of it. And yeah, basically I think I'll make another one because I'm out of content and it sucks. I just woke up right now, that's why I look like shit. My sleep pattern is completely ruined and it's 5 o'clock in the evening, so good morning to all of you. I'm shooting this video after the next video that's gonna be coming up. I gave a motivational speech to a bunch of kids in an engineering college, and I did that. I completed the whole editing part of it and I just need to hit upload, but I never really told the viewers that I bought a new camera, so this video is all about that. Like, okay, so basically I'll tell you what were my plans before the COVID hit us again. Okay, so in February, after I got back from Udupi, I was planning to go to Goa once. I wanted to go there and, you know, explore the whole thing for completely a week or 10 days or so. Like, there's a lot of stuff for Goa. Like, I had this whole vision in my head saying that why people go to Goa, just party, just drinking, just beach, Baga Beach, Kalangut, that's it. That's not what Goa is all about. Like, there's so many things in Goa. I wanted to show you guys that, yeah, going to a party in Goa and just chilling around is very fun. I know that, but I wanted to give a different perspective for that. So I wanted to go for 10 days and make like episodes of the whole thing, and yeah, that got ruined. And yeah, Kaka and me had this huge plan for a trip like in August, but that went to shit as well. I don't think I'll be disclosing the destination now, but yeah, just think about it as a trip which will require me to travel for almost like 23 days or so. Yeah, it's a huge plan. I'll tell you about it someday later. But yeah, there's that, and we planned South India this year's end, like in December or so, the same time I went to Run of Kutch last year. So I think that will happen if the COVID decreases. Now, today's date is May 28th, so yeah, COVID is going pretty smoothly around here and the cases are decreasing. Yeah, Karnataka, Hubli, yeah, done. Yeah, a little more about the camera. Like, I searched for this camera especially for like months together because it has a lens of 18 to 135mm, which is gonna be used for both vlogging as well as cinematography, as I told you. But yeah, how I got this camera was I searched for this camera since just after I got back from Udupi, but I couldn't find this anywhere because everywhere was out of stock, and because of the previous lockdown, the Sony's production was also closed and it was pretty bad. So yeah, I asked my dad to look towards it as well, and he got in some of the contacts. And yeah, what happened that day was, and me and Umar were in my room, and my dad called me and he was like, come downstairs. Like, okay, fine, what happened? And I went down there, and yeah, and my dad was like, go do the mascara to the god and all, and I was like, okay, fine, that's weird, you never asked me to do that. I went there, I opened the door, and I saw a box. I saw this box. Mind absolutely blown. Like, I had my cement exams in like 4 days, and it was a very bad timing for my camera to come around. Since I couldn't vlog at all, since I got a new camera, I started posting reels. I don't think all of you have watched the reels, but yeah, I got like 10k 11k views on my reels, and I'm really thankful for all the people who's done that. Yes, that's about it, boys. Like, what are you guys doing in the lockdown and all? Me, I'm just sitting here. I called Sonic. I upgraded my RAM. Finally, I have a RAM of 16GB in my laptop. It used to be around 8GB. Yeah, this is gonna be a quick video, and yeah, that's all I had to say. Yeah, I bought the camera and I'll start shooting for people. Like, I'll start shooting for clients or something like that because I need more experience in that kind of genre. I contacted Vinayak clearly as well, and he gave me some contacts about all those things. Yeah, I'll explain the whole thing as I live it. Okay, the last time it hit lockdown, I used to go out in the morning. Me and Kaka used to go out at around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning. We used to hang out until 7:30, but this time I'm scared. I'm scared because everybody's positive. Yeah, that's pretty scary. So I restricted my mom and dad from getting outside, and I'm quarantined in my room. I didn't go anywhere out. So yeah, guys, please stay safe. Please stay in your room, and yeah, that was all for the video. This was just a quick update. So thank you so much for making me a part of your day. My name is Bhatta. Welcome to the family. Adios.
Bitches on my dick 'cause a boy so mysterious.